Okay, this is Shrikant Shinde, the son of Chief Minister Eknath
Will be the
Shinde.
chief minister face because this is something very big.
I am a Karyakarta. We should wait for some time.
So what is the mood now? Because now there is a meeting that is going to happen. What is the further course of now the Shiv Sena has been constantly celebrating across Maharashtra.
Yeah. We have got very good numbers, which we expected. I think I would thank all the voters, Janta of Maharashtra, who stood behind Mahayuti and gave this landslide victory.
Interestingly, it is Aditya Thackeray who is trailing from his
People are showing his the way he has worked for 5 years. जिस तरीके से unavailable रहे, from the starting we were saying, unavailable and not accessible MLA. I think he is on the verge of losing his seat. So I think people in last 2.5 years, the way Eknath Shinde has worked, the way he has carried forward the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray, the way Mahayuti has worked under his leadership, and the way Mahavikas Aghadi or the Ubhata netas, leaders, जो सिर्फ गाली गलोच और आलोचना, उसके सिवा उनको 2.5 साल में कुछ जमा नहीं करने के लिए, उसमें से एक नाम था आदित्य ठाकरे का भी. लोगों ने उनको उनकी जगह जो है ये दिखाने का काम इस इलेक्शन में किया है.
The blame game has already started because it's also Congress saying that it is because of Uddhav Thackeray.
It is their business. It is not our business.
So Shrikant Shinde there speaking to the media and very clearly saying that the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray has been taken over by the Eknath Shinde group. Very clearly, because that's the verdict that's coming out from Maharashtra, and we can see those visuals of that meeting taking place at Devendra Fadnavis's residence, which has Vinod Tavre in there, also Piyush Goyal in that meeting at Devendra Fadnavis's residence.
Okay, Ratan Sharda is back with us on the panel. Ratan Sharda, since you like to engage with provocative thoughts, can I attempt and provoke you? The difference between June and now is that the RSS came out and mobilized cadres, and that's getting reflected in BJP's numbers. The RSS perhaps was not one with the BJP cadres in the general elections in Maharashtra, and that's why the BJP went down to 9 seats from 23. Now they have come back.
Well, if you remember what I said to Arnab when he took my interview about my critical article, I clearly said the issue is within BJP, not BJP and RSS. Because the lack of cooperation of RSS in Maharashtra or anywhere else, including UP, etc., is not because RSS didn't want to support. It was that BJP cadre, BJP middle leadership didn't think it was necessary to seek support of all the supporters of BJP. That's why I suffer. Well, I should say a sense of,
realization from the BJP.
सब ठीक चल रहा है, सब बढ़िया चल रहा है, मोदी जी हैं, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, 400 पार, etc.
Now this is very
that realization. आराम से बात करने.
This is very.
I was doing the job of provoking him, but why are you getting into it? I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it.
So I thought
Now what?
RSS was an organization without any expectation.
नहीं expectation नहीं है.
There is no expectation. See, अगर आप मेरे से
बीजेपी को जिताना है.
Okay,
आप प्रवोक नहीं कर सकते मुझे.
Let him have a say.
आप प्रवोक नहीं कर सकते मुझे. मैं प्रवोक होने से बहुत पार हूँ.
आपको प्रवोक नहीं कर सकते.
आप सुनिए ना मेरी बात. सुनिए तो सही मेरी बात.
आज पता नहीं आप
सुनिए तो सही बात मेरी.
घर से आपको उपदेश मिला है
आप उनसे ही बात कर लो. आप उनसे ही बात कर लो. कर्नाटका में लीड कर रहे हैं, बड़ी चर्बी आ रही है. कर्नाटका में 3 सीटें कांग्रेस की आ रही है, बड़ी चर्बी आ रही है आपको. सुनिए मेरी बात.
देखो, निखिल कुमार स्वामी को किसने हराया? निखिल कुमार स्वामी को बीजेपी ने हराया. निखिल कुमार स्वामी को जेडीएस के वोट पूरे मिले.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं, कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं?
Okay, let's just focus on Maharashtra. That's the big verdict today. Let's just focus on Maharashtra. Let Ratan Sharda have his say.
I don't expect you to troll, yaar.
हराया RSS.
I don't expect you.
All right.
You to troll, yaar. You come all the way Bangalore to troll me. All the way from Bangalore to troll me. ट्रोल करिए ना जिसको करना है. मुझे क्या कर रहे हैं? मुझे बात तो करने दीजिए ना. मैंने कहा
क्या तो आपको ये उम्मीद नहीं होगी कि महाराष्ट्र में ये आंकड़े बीजेपी को आने वाले हैं?